So, to start off, this is the lounging area with all my friends that I have invited because I have so many friends, of course, you know that. Do you know what? I've just had... Excuse me, 1 second. I've had a... This is very rude right now. Just give me the bottle. I've had a very long day. And I'm making this video reluctantly, you know. And John knows what's up. John always knows. And I just need to pop a champagne and... Oh, wow. It's quite strong. It's quite strong, John. Don't look at me like that. Anyway, yes, so this is my beautiful yacht. These beautiful E equals MC squared, pow, boom.
Boom, bitch! Bang!
And then here is this scallywag named Michael. His name is Michael. And now I'm going to poke him in the eye. Poke him in the eye. Can I borrow that? Sorry to disturbing your sleeping, but no one invited you here to sleep. Now wake up. Well, that did not wake her up. Maybe I can just throw the whole drawer on her. Maybe that might work. You going to wake up now? You going to wake up now? She's not awake still. She's not awake. Okay, well maybe if I drop this painting on her. You onto this expensive private yacht to be sleeping. This is what happens when you sleep on my yacht, woman. I don't even know her. That's for who? Okay, come here. Come here. Oh, okay, yeah, he's very much awake. He's very much awake. Listen, sir, I did not want to start a fight. I do not want to start a fight. I mean, you do not. You're inside of the bed. John? Was this you? I think this is my... Okay, the bed man is following me. Michael, what are you looking at, Michael? What are you looking at? That's a woman over there. There's a woman. There's a woman, Michael. Michael, there's a woman. Go fetch the woman. Janet, there's another woman. You're not the only woman. Premium coffee. I am Iron Man. Oh, God. Perfect landing. You stay right there, fellas. I said stay right there, you losers. Woman. Okay. Perfect landing, wasn't it, John? John, it was a perfect landing. Come here, mister. I'll take that. I'll take that, I said. Oh, I won't take that. I'll take that. Don't look at me like that. Get up! Okay, well, I broke the sofa. I don't know how that happens. I'm gonna fight you. Who are you talking to? Your fault, John. Yeah. Janet. What else have we got here? Very laggy. Okay. Green tea. What do I look like to you? Janet. Janet. What do I look like to you? I like my tea rainbow. Ah, she fell for me. She fell for me, John. She fell for me. She fell for me, but no woman will ever fall for you because you'll be dead.
Alrighty then.
Don't look at me like that, Janet. You're the one with the green tea. I should not. Oh, she's having a party. I'm leaving you. Oh, she's on the table. She's having a good time, isn't she? What are you looking at, Stephen? Ooh! Buddy.
Come dance with us.
You want to dance? I'm the best dancer in town. Some say, at least. Not loud enough. I run out of ammo. I suck at aiming. I will kill that bird. Bird successfully killed. I fancy some cake. Don't you? Oh, lemon. Die, woman! Oh, the menu! What do you guys have to offer here? Fast food and Chinese. They've got the whole job lot! Are you seriously still alive? Sorry. Just the process. I know, my bad. Do. What nice ankles you have, ma'am. Let me grab them. Oh dear. Well, I never knew that was going to happen. A Pepsi! Give me that Pepsi. What is this? Lemon? Oh, it's beer. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. No one likes Coke. Pepsi's better. Orange. Fanta, mate. Oh, and then you have the good stuff. As they would... The crap stuff. Just... What's it called? Oh, it's just called wine. How boring. Oh. Partying, Michael, we're partying. Why is that there? Oh! That pole. That looks like it could go up your anus. You missed, Michael. You're a disappointment to everyone here. Look at them all watching. They're disappointed in you. No, woman. No. Excuse me, woman. This is... Yeah. You shall now go be fed to the sharks. Do not try and fight me. Where are the sharks at? Sharks? Hello? You have fresh meat. Why is no one coming to eat it? Oh, here we go. I wonder if I can swim. Oh, hello, Dave. You alright? Oh, crap. David does not like me. David does not like me. David, calm down.